Okay, we back. Okay, let's go to be playing this game. You think what happened to my skin? Why so different? I don't know. Let's continue this game. Wait, what is that? I hear a noise. Bye bye. It looks like it's gone. Okay, let's continue this. You have bought some game passes in this game. In this game, they have a Titanic game pass. So what is this? I have the Captain Pass. What is that noise? I look like I hear that. Like, wait a second, how did a bacon head got the faster? I don't know why. Let's ignore that. Let's continue having fun. Look at this. Okay. Well, it's not working. It's not working. Are you kidding me? Wait, I spawned the Titan. Let me do something. Okay. Fine. Wait, what is going on right there? No, is there a disaster? There's not. Fine, I'm getting a second bite. I can do nothing. Let me do this. Right, let's go. Let me see this. Let me take this out of the street. Let me do this. The more that was going on the screen. I can do this. I can do this. I can skip this right now. Okay, see you in the next, I don't know. See you in the next one. Okay, and now in this weird Titanic, it's white. It looks like a little nice. Well, I think what I see. Okay, what is that? Okay. Okay, wait. Stairs? Wait. It's not an hospital? It is really what? Why I say? Yeah, I'm not going to say that. Let's continue this fun game. I can think. Well, I'm never gonna say yes. What is an ice cream in my phone? It's gonna get destroyed. Yeah, it's gonna get broken. I don't want that to happen. Let's take that out. Let's take that out of my head. And let's continue this fun activity. What I'm doing right now. Yes, what? Okay, you have to be kidding me. You can steal my stuff what I buy that Robux. Well, yeah, I did to buy Robux. I don't care. I still is never do that. So you see me do this. So you really want any of this, you join to this game fast as you can. Right now. Or you're never getting this right now. I'm playing this like forever. Yes, forever. Yeah? Whereas I'm doing this forever. I'm going to do this. This scene is going to be weird. But I'm doing this. Hear this noise. What it can be is to help me. What is what my Titanic is filled water. Water is right what I see down there. You don't see that? What you have to place that. You can please write that in the comments. You see what you think. I know you can. Thinking, well, why speak that language? Okay, you have to stop right now. You have to eat it. It's just bombs to do that. You're gonna have to be kidding me. You're gonna get paid. Now I can do that all the time. In my talking Tom games, I can do that. But now this is a Roblox game. I forget that. Let's continue. Well, I can do that. I don't want to do that. Let's see. I want to do that. Let's see. What is this? What is this? This is wrong. Stop this. Wait a second. Why are here? Okay, you have to be kidding me. I destroyed my whole thing. This is my home. Are you kidding me? Whoa! No. I need help. I need help. Right now, it's gonna go in the sea. I cannot do nothing. Look, it's going down. Uh-oh. I can see it. And you have to stop making that noise right in the left of my screen. My ears, they're gonna be bleeding in blood. It's going down. Are you serious? You have to be kidding me. No. Way is going down. You can see water. No. I need help. You can just stop doing that. You're gonna compete. Fine. I don't need the help. I can do it myself. I play this game because I can save my own life. Do this. Okay, it's right here. I screwed. I'm gonna know that this can mean like a melon. I screwed that melon. I get out here right now where I enough. Where this is going down. Now, that is not happening. That is not gonna happen. Because I'm going to go to a plane, a new flight. We'll see you soon. I'm gonna see you in the next videos. This is my I really had the worst vacation I had in the world. Because I'm not gonna come back here never again. Look, it's happening. No, it's going down in the ocean. No, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. No, that is not happening again. No, please. This plane is not gonna crash. Yes, it's not gonna blow up like a fire. That's not happening. Alright. Always peace. I see you soon in the next bye bye. I'm gonna see you soon.